Hello, hi, good afternoon. Welcome to again A Square Aviation Academy. It is very important to understand the concept of our aviation trainings. So, we are giving the trainings obviously for the travel agents. We have a training available for the candidates. So, we are giving a training on there would be a proper practical training basically. This is not a written work. This is not a verbal work basically. This is all a practical training which we are delivering to the travel agents and the students. Obviously, because see, it is very important to understand one concept. Like in order to calculate airfare and construction unit, we call it as airfare and construction, we call it as NUCs, we have Q surcharge, again, we have a lot of things in this reservation industry. We have rerouting, we have reissuance, we have round the world, we have a circle trip, we have open jaw, we have turnaround points, we have fare break points. So basically, how we calculate entire concept. So see, uh, I'm giving you a commitment over here. Any candidate one want to pursue themselves in this course which we have designed for the candidates, a practical work. This training will only take 30 days, maybe 40 days. See, there is no obligation about the timings, there is no obligation about the duration of this course. Because because this is depending, it is all depend upon your grip, upon your grabbing power. Sometimes it happens that people and the students and the travel agents, they start themselves with the air ticketing courses, okay, and it takes like 30 days and they become expert. But sometimes it happens that you, if you feel like I have to stretch my batch, then there is no such obligation. The best part is this is a lifetime association with my organization, which we have constructed is in the program of International Train Teaching Program. One thing it is very important to understand: people are doing IATA. It's very good because I'm also IATA certified. But over here, this is all a practical work. There is no you have to learn, the concept and definition of the airlines abbreviation. No. See, if I asked you what is LD, if I asked you what is STAT, if I asked you what is FB, which is a fair breakpoint, if I asked you what is GI, if I asked you what is NUC, if I ask you what is ROE, see, obviously, if I will give you the definition, you will learn this. But what is the depth of this abbreviation? Like why we use these abbreviation in airlines terms? In order to calculate the best fare, we have to combine the combination of the flight. Basically, we are in agreements. Like we have interline partners, we have interline part in terms of the partner airlines. We take offline point to on, we take online point to offline point, we add extra leg. So there are a lot of ways wherein we can reduce the fares. It is not about you will come to know how to reduce the fare of the airlines. No, this is basically the concept of how to calculate the best rate for your clients. We combine the fare. For example, see, there are a lot of concept. If you want to take a demo class, definitely I will give you a demo class that are available. You can contact to me on my number, which is already given in the description box. Because nowadays, just consider yourself, if you are a job seeker, like you want to go for you want to start this reservation job, okay, you want to start your work in airline offices, you want to start work in travel agencies with MNCs, you want to start your job in airlines call centers, okay, wherein you have to give them best fares. So what is the best fare? How I can give the best fares? Can see, because this is a major concept. Basically, calculate fare construction in terms of best fare. If I am a customer, okay, if I come back to your agency in terms of I want to travel to Canada, I want to travel to Toronto. Over here, if I am getting a fare of 50,000 online, maybe XYZ online website. So passenger and the client give a call to my agency, sir, I'm getting it for 50,000. You tell me like what best fare you can give it to me. See, this is the best technique. If you will give them a best rise in terms of we have commissions, a lot of structure. Basically, we have PLB's commission, IATA's commission. We have a segment commission also, which we get from the software companies. So if client is getting a fare 50,000, you cannot sell the 50,000 fare to 52,000 if he's getting the same fare online. So end of the day, you have to manage your fare construction unit. So in this concept, a practical training will be given to you. You will be trained in reservation softwares. You will come to know what are the basically concept of airline ticketing. You will come to know the concept of airline reservations, how to calculate the fares, because there are a lot of things. It is not you will come to know the, if you will come to know the interline partners, you can make the fares now. You have to have the points of the online, there is an offline points, how to combine those points, what are the mileage we get from a different point, how to calculate the mileage, what are mpms, what are tpms, this is a ticketed permitted mileage, maximum permitted mileage. This whole concept will be delivered to you. So I'm telling you, this is reality. If you are a travel agent and you already have opened your business in this travel, but you don't know how it entails, again, you don't know how to run, how to increase the revenue of your business, because without software it is very hard to survive the market. Maybe you sell the tickets with the help of the website, but obviously in order to go for a higher revenue, see, if you are promoting, for example, I have my travel agency and I'm checking the fare on the website, and the same I'm giving to the customer. Customer said, okay, sir, please book my tickets. It means I am promoting these websites, but I'm not promoting my agency. If you want to be alive live in this industry, like if you want to sell Etihad Air, and Etihad Air will come to know, okay, this ticket has been issued by your agency. Rather, you are doing the business from XYZ agency. It means you are promoting their agency to airlines. If you want to promote your agency, you want that agency and that airlines people will come to your agency as a meeting, because you are selling a good transactions on different carriers. So this, it is very important, wherein you have to work with the softwares which is directly connected with an airline server, right? Because any agency which you are dealing on online website, these on the back end, they're working with those softwares, right? So this is basically the concept. And if the job seekers, right, the job seekers, if you want to grab a good salary, if you want to be an expert in air ticketing, you want to have a good salary, you want to increase the ratio of your salary, you want to increase the graph of your salary, so the fare construction unit play a vital role. So feel free to speak with me. My name is Ankit Malhotra. Basically, I'm the co-founder of this A Square unit. In A Square unit, we already have associated with a lot of travel agents, local travel agents. We have international travel agents also, because the A Square unit, this basically we have our own expertise in a lot of languages. We have a Spanish travel agents, we have a French travel agent which we are dealing with, we have a German travel agents, we have a Chinese travel agents. So if you will see, this is basically an international chain, I would say, right? So in order to cop up, or in order to associate yourself with my Square unit, it is just you have to call me. I will give the brief description about your classes, like how the session will start. And it is not we are charging a very high amount of fees. No, it's very normal fees we are charging from the travel agent and the students. Keep in consideration, like it is just like a collaboration with the travel agents and the students, right? So in the end, I would say, because if you are booking your ticket through online, if you're taking the help of the online website in terms of ticketing the travel, booking the tickets for your clients, don't book the tickets online, because there is a lot of obligations through online. You don't know what are the rules and the cancellation, what are the fair rules basically of these tickets, right? So if you want to increase revenue, you have to use these airline software which I will deliver, which I will give you a proper training about the codings. Okay, so feel free to speak with me. Yeah, so by the time, take care and enjoy your weekend. Bye bye.